guys, I'm KAKO, and today I'll show you the best quality, simplest and most compact way available in all versions of After Effects without paying $1. So smash that subscribe button that you don't miss my next tutorials. Let's do it! First, open your project in After Effects. I want to make a transparent GIF, so hide the background layers. OK. Press Ctrl M to render. Click on Lossless in Output module. Change format. I tried a lot of ways to export GIFs from After Effects, and this one's the best. They call it. If your animation or video has a background, choose RGB, and if you want it to be transparent and without background like me, choose RGB plus alpha. OK, now set the output and name. Save. Then hit the lovely render button. Sweet sound. After Effects, create a folder with rendered.com name and create a PNG for every single frame. Now open Photoshop. File, open, and select one of the PNGs. Check the image sequence, open. It wanna ask you what frame rate you want. I usually animate at 25 frames per second, but if you have a different frame rate for your composition, choose that. Okay, that's right. Next, go to the file again. Export, save for web. GIFs are suitable for web, have a small size and good quality. Wait for loading. Now choose GIF format. You can change the number of colors, which affects the size and quality. Often I choose 128. Select diffusion. Check transparency if it's transparent. You can change image size or percent to reduce quality or size. Return. Under looping options, you can choose to have a GIF loop once or 3 times or forever. I like forever and never say never. Now click on save. Choose output and name. Save. Wait. And see. It's the result. Congratulations.